Welcome back to the English Speak Practice. In today's video, we are going to practice English with question answer sentences. This will help you speak faster, think clearly, and build real confidence in daily conversations. Listen carefully, repeat loudly, and try to speak without fear. Practice daily, stay consistent, and focus on progress, not perfection. Let's get started. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. How do you start your day? How do you start your day? I start my day with a glass of water and light exercise. I start my day with a glass of water and light exercise. Where do you prefer to study? Where do you prefer to study? I prefer to study in a quiet and clean place. I prefer to study in a quiet and clean place. What motivates you to learn English? What motivates you to learn English? Learning English helps me grow professionally. Learning English helps me grow professionally. How often do you practice speaking English? How often do you practice speaking English? I practice speaking English every single day. I practice speaking English every single day. What do you do when you feel tired? What do you do when you feel tired? I take a short break and relax my mind. I take a short break and relax my mind. Which app do you use for learning English? Which app do you use for learning English? I use mobile apps that focus on speaking skills. I use mobile apps that focus on speaking skills. How do you improve your pronunciation? How do you improve your pronunciation? I listen carefully and repeat sentences aloud. I listen carefully and repeat sentences aloud. What kind of videos do you watch online? What kind of videos do you watch online? I watch educational and motivational videos. I watch educational and motivational videos. Where do you usually have lunch? Where do you usually have lunch? I usually have lunch at home. I usually have lunch at home. What is your favorite part of the day? What is your favorite part of the day? My favorite part of the day is the evening. My favorite part of the day is the evening. How do you manage your time? How do you manage your time? I plan my tasks before starting the day. I plan my tasks before starting the day. What do you do after finishing work? What do you do after finishing work? I relax by listening to music. I relax by listening to music. Which skill are you improving right now? Which skill are you improving right now? I am improving my communication skills. I am improving my communication skills. How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress? I handle stress by staying calm and focused. I handle stress by staying calm and focused. What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat simple and healthy food. I usually eat simple and healthy food. How do you stay focused while studying? How do you stay focused while studying? I stay focused by avoiding distractions. I stay focused by avoiding distractions. What kind of books do you like? What kind of books do you like? I like books related to self-improvement. I like books related to self-improvement. Where do you see yourself improving most? Where do you see yourself improving most? I see myself improving in confidence. I see myself improving in confidence. What helps you stay consistent? What helps you stay consistent? Discipline helps me stay consistent. Discipline helps me stay consistent. How do you prepare for a new goal? How do you prepare for a new goal? I prepare by breaking it into small steps. I prepare by breaking it into small steps. What do you do when you make mistakes? What do you do when you make mistakes? I learn from mistakes and try again. I learn from mistakes and try again. How do you practice listening skills? How do you practice listening skills? I practice by listening to clear English audio. I practice by listening to clear English audio. What makes a day productive for you? What makes a day productive for you? Completing planned tasks makes my day productive. Completing planned tasks makes my day productive. How do you relax at night? How do you relax at night? I relax by watching something light. I relax by watching something light. What do you usually do on weekends? Or what do you usually do on weekends? I spend time learning and resting. I spend time learning and resting. How do you remember new words? How do you remember new words? I use them in daily sentences. I use them in daily sentences. What is your learning style? What is your learning style? I learn better through practice. I learn better through practice. How do you stay motivated long term? How do you stay motivated long term? I remind myself of my goals. I remind myself of my goals. What do you do before sleeping? What do you do before sleeping? I plan tasks for the next day. I plan tasks for the next day. How do you improve sentence formation? How do you improve sentence formation? I practice speaking full sentences daily. I practice speaking full sentences daily. What do you find challenging in English? What do you find challenging in English? Fluency feels challenging at times. Fluency feels challenging at times. How do you overcome hesitation? How do you overcome hesitation? I speak without overthinking. I speak without overthinking. What makes you confident while speaking? What makes you confident while speaking? Regular practice builds my confidence. Regular practice builds my confidence. How do you correct your errors? How do you correct your errors? I note them and practice again. I note them and practice again. What do you do when you forget a word? Or what do you do when you forget a word? I explain the idea using simple words. I explain the idea using simple words. How do you practice daily conversation? How do you practice daily conversation? I speak to myself in English. I speak to myself in English. What do you enjoy learning the most? What do you enjoy learning the most? I enjoy learning practical topics. I enjoy learning practical topics. How do you track your progress? How do you track your progress? I notice improvements in fluency. I notice improvements in fluency. What helps you speak clearly? What helps you speak clearly? Speaking slowly helps me speak clearly. Speaking slowly helps me speak clearly. How do you practice shadowing? How do you practice shadowing? I repeat sentences after listening carefully. I repeat sentences after listening carefully. What kind of sentences do you practice? What kind of sentences do you practice? I practice daily life sentences. I practice daily life sentences. How do you stay confident in public speaking? How do you stay confident in public speaking? Preparation helps me stay confident. Preparation helps me stay confident. What do you do when you feel nervous? What do you do when you feel nervous? I take deep breaths and relax. I take deep breaths and relax. How do you improve vocabulary? How do you improve vocabulary? I learn words in context. I learn words in context. What makes learning enjoyable for you? What makes learning enjoyable for you? Seeing progress makes learning enjoyable. Seeing progress makes learning enjoyable. How do you practice speaking alone? How do you practice speaking alone? I talk about my daily activities. I talk about my daily activities. What do you focus on while speaking? What do you focus on while speaking? I focus on clarity, not perfection. I focus on clarity, not perfection. How do you build speaking habit? How do you build speaking habit? I practice at the same time daily. I practice at the same time daily. What keeps you disciplined? What keeps you disciplined? Clear goals keep me disciplined. Clear goals keep me disciplined. How do you improve fluency over time? How do you improve fluency over time? I speak more and think less. I speak more and think less. What do you do during free time? What do you do during free time? I use free time to practice English. I use free time to practice English. How do you stay positive while learning? How do you stay positive while learning? I celebrate small improvements. I celebrate small improvements. What do you do when progress feels slow? What do you do when progress feels slow? I stay patient and consistent. I stay patient and consistent. How do you practice pronunciation daily? How do you practice pronunciation daily? I repeat difficult words aloud. I repeat difficult words aloud. What helps you understand spoken English? What helps you understand spoken English? Listening regularly improves understanding. Listening regularly improves understanding. How do you learn from others? How do you learn from others? I observe and copy good speakers. I observe and copy good speakers. What do you do to stay calm while speaking? What do you do to stay calm while speaking? I focus on my message. I focus on my message. How do you make speaking natural? How do you make speaking natural? I use simple and common phrases. I use simple and common phrases. What encourages you to continue learning? What encourages you to continue learning? Personal growth encourages me. Personal growth encourages me. How do you practice English every day? How do you practice English every day? I include English in daily routines. I include English in daily routines. What do you do when you feel lazy? What do you do when you feel lazy? I start with small tasks. I start with small tasks. How do you stay committed to practice? How do you stay committed to practice? I remind myself why I started. I remind myself why I started. What helps you learn faster? What helps you learn faster? Regular repetition helps me learn faster. Regular repetition helps me learn faster. How do you build confidence gradually? How do you build confidence gradually? I speak more without fear. I speak more without fear. What makes English useful for you? What makes English useful for you? English helps me communicate globally. English helps me communicate globally. How do you turn mistakes into learning? How do you turn mistakes into learning? I analyze mistakes calmly. I analyze mistakes calmly. What do you focus on as a learner? What do you focus on as a learner? I focus on progress, not perfection. I focus on progress, not perfection. How do you stay consistent daily? How do you stay consistent daily? I fix a daily practice time. I fix a daily practice time. What makes you proud of yourself? What makes you proud of yourself? Improving daily makes me proud. Improving daily makes me proud. How do you practice speaking confidently? How do you practice speaking confidently? I speak clearly and slowly. I speak clearly and slowly. What do you do when you lack confidence? What do you do when you lack confidence? I practice more instead of stopping. I practice more instead of stopping. How do you make learning effective? How do you make learning effective? I practice what I learn. I practice what I learn. What do you do before starting practice? What do you do before starting practice? I set a clear goal. I set a clear goal. How do you stay relaxed while learning? How do you stay relaxed while learning? I keep a positive mindset. I keep a positive mindset. What makes speaking easier for you? What makes speaking easier for you? Familiar topics make speaking easier. Familiar topics make speaking easier. How do you improve daily communication? How do you improve daily communication? I practice real life sentences. I practice real life sentences. What helps you remember sentences? What helps you remember sentences? Repeating them regularly helps. Repeating them regularly helps. How do you stay focused for long time? How do you stay focused for long time? I take short breaks. I take short breaks. What do you enjoy about learning English? What do you enjoy about learning English? I enjoy expressing myself better. I enjoy expressing myself better. How do you practice without a partner? How do you practice without a partner? I record and listen to myself. I record and listen to myself. What keeps you learning every day? What keeps you learning every day? My goals keep me learning. My goals keep me learning. How do you avoid overthinking? How do you avoid overthinking? I speak naturally without stopping. I speak naturally without stopping. What helps you speak smoothly? What helps you speak smoothly? Regular speaking practice helps. Regular speaking practice helps. How do you manage study pressure? How do you manage study pressure? I break work into parts. I break work into parts. What do you do to improve clarity? What do you do to improve clarity? I slow down my speech. I slow down my speech. How do you stay confident in conversations? How do you stay confident in conversations? I focus on sharing ideas. I focus on sharing ideas. What do you do after learning something new? What do you do after learning something new? I use it in conversation. I use it in conversation. How do you keep improving daily? How do you keep improving daily? I practice consistently. I practice consistently. What makes learning successful for you? What makes learning successful for you? Consistency makes learning successful. Consistency makes learning successful. How do you handle difficult topics? How do you handle difficult topics? I learn them step by step. I learn them step by step. What helps you speak without fear? What helps you speak without fear? Practice reduces my fear. Practice reduces my fear. How do you stay motivated every day? How do you stay motivated every day? I remind myself of progress. I remind myself of progress. What do you do when you feel stuck? What do you do when you feel stuck? I revise basics again. I revise basics again. How do you build a strong habit? How do you build a strong habit? I practice daily without gaps. I practice daily without gaps. What improves your speaking speed? What improves your speaking speed? Regular conversation practice improves speed. Regular conversation practice improves speed. How do you stay disciplined while learning? How do you stay disciplined while learning? I follow a fixed routine. I follow a fixed routine. What helps you stay confident long term? What helps you stay confident long term? Continuous practice helps me. Continuous practice helps me. How do you measure improvement? How do you measure improvement? I notice better fluency. I notice better fluency. What is your main learning goal? What is your main learning goal? My main goal is fluent communication. My main goal is fluent communication. What time do you usually go to bed? What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed before 11 at night. I usually go to bed before 11 at night. How do you start studying English? How do you start studying English? I start by revising what I learned earlier. I start by revising what I learned earlier. What helps you stay calm during exams? What helps you stay calm during exams? Deep breathing helps me stay calm. Deep breathing helps me stay calm. How do you practice speaking outside class? How do you practice speaking outside class? I speak English during daily activities. I speak English during daily activities. What do you do when you do not understand something? What do you do when you do not understand something? I ask questions or search for explanations. I ask questions or search for explanations. How do you improve your listening accuracy? How do you improve your listening accuracy? I listen carefully without translating. I listen carefully without translating. What kind of environment helps you learn better? What kind of environment helps you learn better? A quiet environment helps me learn better. A quiet environment helps me learn better. How do you stay motivated when learning feels hard? How do you stay motivated when learning feels hard? I remind myself why I started. I remind myself why I started. What do you do to improve daily habits? What do you do to improve daily habits? I focus on one habit at a time. I focus on one habit at a time. How do you check your English improvement? How do you check your English improvement? I compare my old and new speaking. I compare my old and new speaking. What do you do when you feel distracted? What do you do when you feel distracted? I take a short break and refocus. I take a short break and refocus. How do you practice speaking confidently at home? How do you practice speaking confidently at home? I speak in front of a mirror. I speak in front of a mirror. What helps you remember grammar rules? What helps you remember grammar rules? Using them in sentences helps me remember. Using them in sentences helps me remember. How do you manage your study schedule? How do you manage your study schedule? I follow a simple daily routine. I follow a simple daily routine. What makes you comfortable while speaking English? What makes you comfortable while speaking English? Speaking slowly makes me comfortable. Speaking slowly makes me comfortable. How do you increase your speaking speed? How do you increase your speaking speed? I practice regular conversations. I practice regular conversations. What do you do to avoid fear of mistakes? What do you do to avoid fear of mistakes? I accept mistakes as part of learning. I accept mistakes as part of learning. How do you improve sentence flow? How do you improve sentence flow? I practice linking words naturally. I practice linking words naturally. What helps you stay consistent every week? What helps you stay consistent every week? Fixed goals help me stay consistent. Fixed goals help me stay consistent. How do you feel about your English progress now? How do you feel about your English progress now? I feel more confident than before. I feel more confident than before. Great job for completing this English practice session. Regular practice like this will improve your fluency and confidence step by step. Do not worry about mistakes, they are part of learning. Repeat this practice daily and notice your improvement over time. Stay motivated, stay disciplined, and keep speaking English every day. Thank you for practicing. Keep going.